Monday, December the 21st edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East along with you. Good to be back with you, back in the saddle after some time off last week. And after we began last week with very, very mild weather, it was a pretty good shot of cold weather late week and into the weekend. And now some big weather changes underway again. Let me show you, first of all, 5 o'clock hour look at Banner Elk. The temperature there 33, that camera courtesy of resortcams.com. We'll check in on the Triad. There's our Greensboro Tower camera's perspective on things this morning. The temperature there now at 39-40, kind of bouncing around there at the PTI airport. No fog this morning, and temperature's really a good bit milder now than what we had at this point yesterday. More on that in just a second. There's your Sunday highs across the region. A lot of 50s on the board in many, many spots across the region. All of the Triad viewing area in the low or mid 50s yesterday afternoon. Similar, a degree or two warmer in many Charlotte viewing area locations for Sunday. Now, again, temperatures a good bit warmer now in comparison to the 5 o'clock hour on Sunday morning. And that means the actual temperatures look like that across the region. 46 in Columbia, Charlotte 43, Fayetteville 43, 38 in Raleigh, even Boone at 38 and 53 in Charleston. Radar quiet for the time being, but you look northwest of us, you have a lot of rain from the Great Lakes region down into the Midwestern states and points south from there into Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi, and Arkansas. And this is all a sign of changes occurring here as we move forward in time. Now, one of the changes that occurs this week is a return of milder air. Some residual chilly air in place here across the region right now, but you look off to the southwest, and here's all this warm air, and that's all moving northeastward and in our direction. The other big weather story this week is rain, and a lot of it, really, over the next several days. Now, throughout the day today, maybe some sprinkles, not a huge deal, but watch this. This big mass of rain develops in late tonight and into tomorrow morning. So there'll be a good wave of rain from late tonight through the morning hours tomorrow. There's your highs this afternoon. And then lows tonight pretty mild as the clouds are thicken up and the rain arrives. So we start off Tuesday with a lot of rain. As we get deeper into the day, the rain will shift eastward through eastern sections of North Carolina. So certainly tomorrow morning looking wetter than tomorrow afternoon. And there's your highs across the area. Pretty mild Tuesday weather setup. Wednesday, we do it all again. All right, so there's Wednesday morning. Another wave of rain moves in Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and then that will try to slowly depart as we get deeper into the Wednesday. So let me show you some model forecasted rain totals. That is tonight and tomorrow's rain in the Triad area on Futurecast, and then here comes the Tuesday night and Wednesday wave of rain, and so you end up with some big numbers being indicated on Futurecast. And I'll expand that view out. And that's what it looks like across the Carolinas on Futurecast. Big rain event this week overall. And if you're wondering if it's just that one particular model, the answer is no. Here's one of the big American computer models, the GFS, between now and Thursday. 1 to 2, some localized 3-inch rain totals. Very similar there on the European model. So a lot of rain. A few thunderstorms involved as well here and there. We'll have to keep a watch on any limited severe weather potential, too. Now, watch this big ridge that continues to crank overhead late week and into the Christmas weekend. So here's what we're going with for Thanksgiving. Ooh, there we go. For Christmas Eve highs there on Thursday. And then here's your Friday highs. And we'll just focus here on the Triad very quickly as an example. Dreaming of a warm Christmas? There you go. Christmas Eve, the forecast in the Triad, what I'm going with is 74. That would break the record of 71. The Christmas Day record high 74. Probably winding up a little shy of that, but certainly near or exceeding record highs late week. Now, Saturday and Sunday, some uncertainty there. We might see somewhat of a cold air damming setup arrive. If that's the case, it would be much cooler Saturday and Sunday. The GFS model indicating that scenario. The other model is not really on board with that scenario to a great extent. So we'll have to see how the Saturday and Sunday portion of the forecast shake out. And finally, ski resort information. They're trying, but it's going to be a rough week, I'm afraid, with the milder air and all the rain rolling through. So another week to kind of weather the storm for the ski industry up there in the high country. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you so much for watching. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.